Was goody, was goody, was goody. Yes, sir.
Sir.
It's your man's Flacko.
It's your boy Easy. If this is your first time watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell, baby.
Yes, sir. YouTube.
Hey,
Goody gang.
Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Happy Black Friday. Happy Cyber Monday.
Yes, sir.
Any other holiday I'm missing?
Just pussy.
Happy that shit.
Just know. I really. Did I post a video already?
What happened?
Did I post a video?
Which video?
The latest one. Tupido.
Which video? Estúpido. I don't know. You're the one who fucking uploaded them.
How many reacted to so far?
4 or 5.
Hey. Mi gente latina, we got Trueno, Nicki Nicole, Bizarrap, Mamichula.
Hey, saluda a todo mi gente de Argentina. Y'all been showing us a lot of love, a lot of support.
Claro que sí.
Hey, let's get it though. Whoa, you're not screen recording.
Mamichula. Hey, Bizarrap is a poppin' producer in Argentina for sure. It just takes for him to go worldwide.
Claro que sí. Oh, they got that shit.
Como Paco, leyes on me.
Oh.
Fax on, leyes on me. Mami, chula, si quieres voy a buscarte que la cima está viniendo por mí. Mami, no me digas que no, si soy la chupia del trueno. Mami, chula, si te vas voy a morir más famoso que Lennon.
Dime tú, yo le llego. Ay, no me niego. Dime que yo tengo que hacer para vernos de nuevo.
Me despierto a 6 AM en otro barrio un domingo. Pero decime dónde estás, estoy en 5. Todos esos bobos son pa' de lo mismo. Y que vos querés el futuro que te he puesto pa' que te diga sacarte de tu vida normal. Perdona a tus viejos si no visto formal. Pero también le tenés que contar que por vos.
So would you say this is Nicki Nicole's man's?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow, there you go. That's what's up.
Por tierra voy por cielo y
You mad?
No, I'm not mad at all.
Oh.
I mean, she's beautiful, man. Happy for her. Oh my god, bro.
Bro, you can't be firing, bro.
Why are you looking back there?
Huh?
Why are you looking all the way back there?
Because I'm side-eyeing you.
That's not side-eyeing.
I'm seeing you with my peripherals.
Bro, that's the most weirdest shit I've ever heard. Please
smell
don't
like
ever do
shit.
that. Please don't ever do that again.
Yeah, smell like shit.
Don't ever do
por
that
mar
again.
porque yo soy
Thank you.
así. Me quiere a mi hija. Dejó a su novio porque era un wannabe. Sí, no sé dónde estaba, es que estaba por Madrid. Yo soy así, llegué, me fui.
Llámame cuando sienta que lo nuestro está perdido. Solamente estoy para ti. Me jodió el corazón, lo he dejado roto. No la hizo mí. Llámame cuando sienta que lo nuestro está perdido. Solamente estoy para ti. Me jodió el corazón, lo he dejado roto. No la hizo mí.
Mami, no me digas que no, si soy la chupia del trueno. Mami, chula, si te vas voy a morir más famoso que Lennon.
Dime tú, yo le llego. Ay, no me niego.
Damn. Hey, this is what's up right here, though. Like, I like the... Because, like, you know, when she mixes in with her high-pitched voice, that's just fire right there.
Cargado de valores, atrevido desde el barrio hasta que le manden flores. Por
Oh.
todos esos rumores, está enojado el fire. Jugó por la preventa, pero no dio tus modales. Vamos a mantenerlo callado.
You know what's crazy, bro? We've reacted to Nicki Nicole a couple times. I still can't have it. Still don't have her fully figured. You know,
Oh, yeah, no,
you know how you
she's
can tell a
still
girl
on
like,
her
okay,
face,
she's a girly, she's more like gangsta
talking about that?
type. You know what I'm saying? Like, I haven't really figured out like how she sings, cause she's been singing like here and there. You know what I mean? High pitch, low pitch. You know what I'm saying? Like for example, Nati Peluso. We know Nati Peluso. She's very creative with her shit. You know what I mean? Like she'll come up with like some salsa.
Nicki Nicole.
The next she'll just come up with some other creative shit.
Reggaetonera, Nicki Nicole.
Yeah. So I'm still trying to figure her out. But hey, that's what this keeps her interesting. Gets her those views.
Nosotros seguimos enganchados. Avísale a Cupido que mandé a la mierda lejos. Y hace tiempo Camila Rila.
Porque yo soy así, le quiere a mi hija. Dejó a su novio porque era un wannabe. Si no te contestaba es que estaba por matriz. Yo soy así, llegué, me fui. Porque yo soy así, le quiere a mi hija. Dejó a su novio porque era un wannabe. Si no te contestaba es que estaba por matriz. Yo soy así, llegué, me fui. Mami, no me digas que
Cuando sienta que lo nuestro está perdido, solamente te perdono. Mami, me jodió el corazón, no hay que verlo tu amor.
Mami, no me digas que
Cuando sienta que lo nuestro está perdido, solamente te perdono. Me jodió el corazón.
They both look young as hell, bro.
I mean, she's already young as hell now. Imagine during that time. When did this come out?
Last year.
Last year? Okay, so she's probably. I think she's in her early 20s.
Bro, they look like they 18, bro. Like 17.
And plus, she has like no makeup on, so you know how when girls put makeup, they look a little older. Nah, she. There you go. He's definitely probably like 20 something too, in the early 20s.
Sure.
You know what's crazy though? A lot of these. I think the famous like guy Argentina
Yeah.
is Bizarrap.
For real?
Yeah. I mean, think about all the other Argentinian artists that's gone viral. They've mostly been females, bro. Maria, Tini's getting some
They
recognition.
got guys too. They got
Nati Peluso, Nicki Nicole, they're all getting that globe. They're collabing with like American or artists from other countries more than what these guys, the other guys are collabing with. I'm telling you, Bizarrap is the only one that's collabed with other artists globally. So.
Bizarrap going up this year. He's going up.
Yo soy Trueno niño, surgí de esta área. Y cuando me rap me hablo de toda mi primaria. Yo soy Trueno niño, mi rap no es cualquiera. Yo soy de la boca de acá, de la bombonera. Yo soy Trueno niño, realmente no lo intentes. Yo soy de la boca de acá, de los dos puentes.
Damn, even as younglings, they be mentioning Boca Juniors, bro. Boca Juniors like almost like
Yo soy de la boca.
it's like part of their soul. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy.
That's always calm though.
Song was good.
I ain't gonna lie to ya.
No, but nothing crazy. You know, pretty cool that they collab with each other. You know, boyfriend and girlfriend.
Yo,
But
you
I'm
think
giving
it's worth the views though?
315 million. I mean, I think there's like, damn, is that you have Bizarrap in there? You have fucking crazy famous people in there. And for some reason, people love the collab between boyfriend and girlfriend, bro.
Oh, that's true.
I mean, look at fucking this guy. What's his name?
I'm
Camilo.
G, bro.
Look at Camilo, bro. And his girl. Look at the views they get.
Yeah.
Get the fuck out of here with that shit. Fucking shitload of views. So, I remember that time, like, he got, like, what, 10 million views in one day? So.
And then
Yeah.
Karol G, bro, just that
I know
secreto
that,
song.
yeah, man.
That's probably the best couple song.
Yeah.
Reggaeton.
Yeah, but this song right here, I'm gonna give this one I'm gonna give it 7.5 out of 10. Comment down below what you guys give it. We'll be watching. Thank you for watching.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow us on the gram, baby.
Yes.
Let's go.